Jai Hind and Namaskar. Myself Senior Under Officer Nibia Kappa, 1 Arunachal Pradesh Battalion NCC Naharlagan. As today I will tell you some brief note regarding World Population Day and why we celebrate World Population Day across the globe. As we know, today is 11 July and it is being celebrated as World Population Day worldwide. World Population Day is observed every year on July 11. The main purpose of this day is to draw attention toward the issue arising out of rising population across the globe. India has the world's second largest population after China, as we know. The history of World Population Day. The World Population Day was established by the United Nations in 1989. The United Nations General Assembly (UNGA) decided to continue observing World Population Day to enhance awareness about population issues, including the relations to the environment. As I will tell you the theme of World Population Day 2021. This year, the theme of World Population Day 2021 is the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on fertility. It will be observed to shed more light on the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on sexual and reproductive health and reproductive behavior globally. It is organized by Population Division of United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs (DESA). As the most obvious objective behind the World Population Day is to educate the whole people and population about the consequences of rampant population growth. It is necessary that people should understand the effect it can have on the environment and the development of our world. Overpopulation is leading to very quickly depleting natural resources in the world. Some of these resources like fossil fuel are non-renewable and are causing major problem already. Such depletion and scarcity are weakening on the livelihood and the daily lives of people. As we know, India is the second largest populous country in the world, having 136.6 crore population in 2019, and it can be reached up to 138 crore in 2021. As China is the most populous country in the world, having 139.77 crore population. As per population in India, India is having lots of problem regarding that. Its social economical development are depleting because of the growth population. As we know, as population grows, it causes problem with resources and development. So, as India has initiated lots of program to reduce and maintain the population and sex ratios among the state and the country. So, it is a great step from our side to control our population. And lastly, I would like to say, as we are human being and as we grow, our natural environment get depleted, and because of the growth of population, our socio-economic development also decreases. So we have to keep on maintain it so that a country could run in a proper manner.